Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today what we have for you is a video demonstration of the CID Xtreme 60-inch brush hog cutter from the skid steer loader. This is our CID Xtreme version, up to 5-inch cutting capacity. This is a standard flow model. It's available in standard, mid, and high flow. We stock a variety of all these mowers. We're one of CID's largest dealers. The reason we take the time to show you these videos, we like you to understand this is not a cheap brush hog. This is an affordable brush hog at a great value and a great quality. This unit features a 100 horsepower Omni RC100 gearbox, has a Parker hydraulic drive motor, 3-blade head design, and we'll have the front push bar here. See my other videos, we have complete breakdowns of the drive line, blade holder, and blade group. I even have some older videos whenever we first started doing this. You can check out all our videos. Please call us if you're interested in a mower at 814-658-3066. We'll be glad to pair your mower, or our mower, with your skid steer. We know what fits what gallon a minute, what needs to be. We kind of are a specialist on these mowers. We sell 100 plus of them a year. What we got here today is a lot of overbrush and whatnot, and underbrush. We got stuff in here. It's anywhere from inch clear up to 3 inch. This is again a 5-inch cutting capacity. We're going to mow here. This is a Gale 5640, which is an 84 horsepower turboed machine. We are going to mow in here with this machine and show you actually how this will cut. Again, this isn't some cheap 2-blade mower with just a standard little pan disc underneath it. This is a 3-blade head design mower. And whenever you see how this mows, you will be very shocked. We're going to go ahead and crank the machine up, and we're going to have the camera guy drop back a little ways because it does throw some material forward. I don't want anybody getting hurt just for safety purposes, and we're going to mow with this mower and show you what she does. how that mower just nice and freewheels down? That's due to our H-valve system in there, which is a bypass one-way valve, which allows it to just nice and slowly down. It doesn't go up against a pressure relief valve like a lot of mowers do. So let's walk you down here. I want you to see the kind of material we were mowing. You can see here, look at the blade. Still like brand new. We were mowing in some pretty severe stuff. The blade is brand new. That is true quality of an AR 400 tool steel blade. We want you to be able to see that. Right over here, let me find it. We cut that off, and I want you to be able to know, or hope you've seen in the video, it cut that off like it was nothing. So here's my little Leatherman tool. That is 4.5 inches across, roughly. Cut it off like it was butter, okay? Look at the kind of material that I was mowing down here. That's why I left this clump of stuff. Look at, I was cutting that stuff off in bunches like that. And if you just take your time, work it to the corner, it'll mow it off just as nice as can be. Look at the diameter of this. I mean, look at what we were cutting. The CID Xtreme mower truly is what it is called. It is an extreme mower. We want people to understand that. That's why we take the time to do the videos. One thing we've learned mowing with this mower, I have a lot of time on the one I own myself. If you take, and once you've mowed through this area, drop the mower down in the front a little bit, just back up with it, it remulches the material, and it gives you a nice finished up cut. We just had the right-of-way company come through here, and they mowed with a Fecon head, and they have pieces bigger than ours left. We have a gentleman up in Wisconsin bought one of these doing park service work, and the park was very much worried about how big the pieces were going to be left over. Company name was for Petescapes up in Wisconsin. He has a little over 1,500 or 1,600 hours on his brush cutter, and it's doing a fabulous job, and the Park Service was tickled to death with the size of material that was left because it'll easily rot up. But you can kind of see, we hope you see there from the video, what it's left behind. And again, you could remulch that very easy if you wanted smaller pieces, but you can see what we were shredding. Just a phenomenal mower. For that kind of money, you cannot go wrong. I will guarantee one thing. This mower will outmow a Bobcat $8,000 brush cat any day of the week. You remember something. A Bobcat brush cat, a lot of the other manufacturers out there, are a 2-blade brush hog tractor style design. This is a 3-blade head, all American made, top quality mower here. If you have any questions, please call us. We are one of CID's largest dealers. We can't be beat on our price, and I'll tell you one thing. When you call and want a price from me, remember one thing. I have it in stock. I always stock product. A lot of companies that are given major discounts, they might tell you they need 6 weeks to get it because that's the lead time out of the factory, not at Mark Supply. We have it in stock. We pride ourselves in that. Any questions? 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBay.